So next thing that I think I need to do is remove the wiper arm and also remove the wiper cowl, this plastic, huge plastic. Why I need to do so? Because I think I need to check out what's underneath. Maybe there's some rust or dirt. So I think to remove the wiper arm we only need 14 millimeter open wrench, or if you have socket wrench that'll be much better. Okay, the other one. I think I removed this like 10 times now on the Mazda and Honda. Okay, then just keep the bolts or the lock. And then I think what I need to do next is to close the hood and then remove the arm. So let me just close this one. I'm holding the phone, kind of hard to close the hood while I'm holding the cam. Hood now closed, and I think we just need to pop him out. Let's try this one first. Normally what I do is I just pull the arm like so, bend it, and should be able to pull this out without any problems. There we go. I wanna paint this one to a flat black. I think the previous owner used a glossy black. Yeah, okay. And then replace the blade next time. So just do the same thing on the other wiper arm. Right. Not sure this is all original Honda wiper arm. I guess so. Now my other problem is I don't have a tool to remove the pins. Fortunately, there are only 2 pins over here. This is how she looks like when I got the EG hatch. There's one over there. So I think I need prying tool, or maybe I could just destroy this and then replace it with a new one. I also want to paint the wiper cowl to a flat black. So next thing that I want to remove is the plastic wiper cowl. Fortunately, I only have 2 pins left. So when we got the EG, she's already like this, and most of them are gone or missing. So one over here, then one on the other side. Flathead screw. Or you can also use this plastic, I don't know what you call this. Alright, let's try this one. There's like a hole over here. Yeah, there you go. You just have to give it some time and patience. And she's out. So next I want to pop the hood and slowly remove the wiper cowl, plastic one. So next I want to remove the wiper cowl, but to be much easier we need to remove the bolts for the wiper arm. We don't want them to get in the way. Right, okay. Then assuming that you remove all the bolts or the pins, you just work your way around the plastic wiper cowl. You can try it at the middle, just slowly play with it or pry it out. And then you can also take note over here. And then I think it will be much easier if you have someone to help you out removing this. But for me, I was able to remove this with just one hand a while ago. Need to clear this. I need to go back over there, going back and forth. Also, if you have the pins, much better take them out. The other, I think this is the female lock. Yeah. I hope I won't break this one. I removed this like 5 times already. Okay, I think, oh, she's out there. Just need to make up some space, move this back and forth, and then go back to the other side. And oops, we are almost out. Still in one piece. And there you go. Wait. Much better. If I grab this over here. Yeah, so here's the reason why I removed the bolt or the lock over here. There you go. She's out. Okay. She's out. She's out. And then next thing I want to do is remove the wiper assembly, replace the rusted bolts, clean the, what you call this part, I don't know, wiper dam, or it's just a lot of dirt and grime. To remove the wiper assembly, including the motor, everything, you just need to pop this out, this lock, press it and then pull till it pops out. Yeah. Or not. There you go. I'm not sure if you need to disconnect the battery, but to be safe, much better do so. And then next are the bolts. I already used the socket wrench to loosen them up. Medyo maluwang na siya. I think I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. God, I hope I'm right. Maybe I can remove them by hand. Yes. We need to take note of the washers. It's 1, 2, how about this one? It's kind of stuck. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, she's out. And then, oh, so rusty, eh? The one over here. So they say some Civics they only have 3 bolts. Mine has like 4. I don't know why. So what's next? I don't know yet. Give me a sec. Oh boy. I think we just need to pop this out. Okay, so I think next thing that I need to do is to just pop this out. But I think I'm gonna have a hard time with my right hand on the phone. Let me give it a shot. Oh boy. It is kinda heavy. Holy fuckwarts. Okay, she's out. And there's a lot of dirt, grime, and a lot of rust. So I need to work on this for a while. Woohoo! Yeah, let's take a look at the assembly. And look at those rust. Oh boy. Yeah. I think here's one reason why the wiper is kind of slow. So I'm just gonna clean this up with a steel brush. There's a steel brush over here. And then WD-40. Then brush them till we have rust gone. Or maybe I should use a rust remover, rust converter. So this will take some time. Or much better if we can use grease on the hinge. And then apply WD-40 again. I'm running out of D40. Wow. So bad news, I've run out of WD-40 and all the rust, the wiper assembly is really hard to remove. I don't want to disassemble them since I don't know how to put them back on. So I'm going to use some cheats. Instead of removing all the rust, well, I removed some but not everything. I'm just going to use a silicone grease. I'm going to spray them all to at least protect them from future corrosion, you know, to slow down the rusting process. And I hope this one will work. So it's like it is covered with grease. There you go. Yummy. Or maybe we can apply literally huge amount of grease all over the metal parts. So when you put them back on and it starts raining, you won't have any problems with corrosion in the future. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try it out. I don't have a lot of skills or a lot of time how to disassemble them, remove all the parts one by one, then reassemble them back. Hey, this one is still working, so I just want to slow down the rusting process. So here's what happened. I just used a steel brush, and here's what I found. A lot of dirt. Off you go. So I'm not sure if I need to paint the whole area over here or maybe just cover it with grease or oil. There's just a lot of rust over there or here. I also need a vacuum to suck out all the dirt. So maybe portions over here I ain't gonna bother painting them. Just gonna maybe apply a lot of grease so it will slow down the process of rust or corrosion, and then the rest maybe we can salvage them and then paint it. I don't know. Sorry, there's just a lot of dogs barking because there's a husky running around the street. Here's what to get from a 20-year-old EG Civic hatch. Oh wow. Bad news, there's a lot of rust underneath, so I think I cannot repaint them. It's really hard to remove the rust. What I want to do first is remove all the dirt and grime. I'm gonna have to use a vacuum. Others, what they're doing is they're putting up some grease over here or oil to slow down the process of rusting. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't have funds or budget yet for a total restoration, so if I can slow down the rusting process, then that'll be much better. I'm gonna try and remove all the dirt first by using a brush, and then later on we're gonna use a vacuum. Let's try turning on the vac. Vacuum. Oh, it's working. And it's raining now. Holy crap. So I already started spraying some ATF ATF mixed with liquid soap. Some say they're using Dawn. You can view that on other YouTube channels. It's really hard for me to clean all the rust or remove all the rust and then repaint them, because you have to flip over the car, put it on a rotisserie, but I don't have the budget and time to do that. So I'm gonna use the ATF first while I'm saving up some money for the restoration. So let's fire her up over here. Maybe we can apply some grease in here. Anyway, you cannot really see this one. This is just for slowing down the rusting process. So when it rains, the water won't go inside completely, since we have some oil moving around over here. There you go. So I just have to finish this up. Make sure everything's covered and install back everything. Holy wow.